cut.
Done. Go. He's all done. He's free.
And he's after it too.
So how was yesterday?
I came home to like what, almost 1 year.
Oh gosh. What was it? Fun? Almost?
Some peaceful music.
Is there another small DVD? On the other end might still be good. Just put it in and check, see how much time.
Well,
He's got a nice skin color, huh?
Adela, film what you can with that one. Save it for the good stuff, and then whenever it's over, we'll stick this other one in and see if it'll work for anything.
Do you know how to do it? Like replace it? Okay. That's a pretty big book.
Well,